how are you? It's Lindy and welcome to a new video. Recently I made a video giving you guys an update on how my ears have been doing. Because I used to have pretty big stretched ears, I was at 20mm, and in that update video I showed you guys how my ears have been doing 6 months after taking my plugs out. And if you've watched that video, then you know that at the end of the video I kind of realized that I wanted to stretch my ears again. Because I am a very indecisive person. I don't know if you can tell by my hair color because it changes every single week. And I'm the same with my appearance. I just want to change things. Like, I always want to change things. So I decided that I'm going to stretch my ears again. Yes. And a lot of you actually asked me to film the process of me stretching my ears because a lot of you are interested in doing that. So today's video is going to be the first video of my process of stretching my ears back up again. So if you're interested in this, then please keep on watching. So in that update video I told you guys that my ears were at 10mm and approximately like 9mm, and I said that was going to be like the smallest they were gonna get. But actually after filming that video, for some reason my ears started to shrink down again. I don't know why, but they shrunk more. So this ear actually got to 8mm and this ear got to 9mm, I think. So yeah, that's basically my starting point of stretching my ears. It's already pretty big because I know a lot of people only stretch up to 10mm. But I'm probably going to stretch up to 20mm. I'm not sure yet. Maybe I'm gonna go smaller this time. Maybe I'm even gonna go bigger. But I'm just going to stretch my ears and then see whenever I'm gonna stop. I might never stop. I might go till my ears are like down to my shoulder. We never know. We'll find out eventually. I actually kinda already started the stretching process without realizing it. Because a week ago I was thinking that if I'm going to stretch my ears back up again, I should probably start wearing jewelry again. So what I did was I put some tunnels in my ears and I wore 8mm jewelry in this side and 9mm jewelry in this side. And I don't know if you've ever heard of dead stretching, but dead stretching basically means that you just put jewelry in your ear and you just wait for your ears to naturally stretch. So you don't do anything at all, you just put jewelry in there, but your ears kind of stretch naturally. So eventually the hole will get bigger. It is a very, very slow process, but it's also probably the best process for your ears because you don't put any pressure or anything on your ears. So it is the best method to stretch your ears, but also it's a method that takes the longest time ever. But yeah, I just started to wear a jewelry and for some reason my ears started to get bigger so easily. I don't know what happened, but 2 days after I put the jewelry in, both my ears stretched 1mm without doing anything. So they both got bigger, so I put bigger jewelry in there and they stretched up even more. So today I'm going to put the new size of the jewelry in my ear. I'm not sure what's going to fit yet, but you know, we'll see. So I basically already stretched my ears approximately like 2mm in 1 week without even realizing it. So in this ear I used to have 9mm. I don't have all the sizes, so what I kind of do is I take some plumbing tape and I wrap that around the plug itself, which is also a stretching method. I actually made a video about stretching your ears a while back, so you could watch that video and kind of see me explain all the methods. But this is basically the taping method. So that means that you take a tunnel or a plug and you just wrap a piece of tape around it, and then every time you put another layer on top of there. So you're kind of stretching your ears as well, but in a very slow way. So I took a 8mm tunnel and I wrapped some tape around it. Whoop, this is kind of how it looks. So you see it's like bigger. So I've been wearing 9mm for the last few days. And over here I got a 10mm tunnel. This is a double flared one, so that means that the ends are a little bit bigger than the center. So I'm not sure if it's going to fit in my ear. But yeah, we're going to see if I'm able to go to a 10mm today, which would be kind of cool. So I'm not going to do anything special. I'm just taking some coconut oil to kind of lube up my ear. And I'm just going to whoop, put that around my ear. And then around the jewelry as well. And I'm just going to see if it fits in my ear. That would be so cool, honestly. If I would stretch up 2 millimeters in a week. Oh my god! Wow, I can't believe this is going so fast. Okay, so yeah. I stretched my ear up to 10 millimeters. Yay! This is such a random video, by the way, but anyways. So the way I kind of see that my ears have been stretched while wearing the jewelry is if I pull my tunnel down a little bit, you can kind of see if you got some space left, like some open space. And that's how I know that my ear is bigger than it used to be. And if I pull it down right now, I can actually see that there's still some space left. So what I could do now is I could put a few layers of tape around this tunnel to kind of make the stretching process go even faster. But I think I'm just gonna leave it like this for a week or so. Okay, this ear is done. And by the way, this is a gold tunnel, but I don't have this size in silver. So I kind of need to walk around with 2 different tunnels, which is horrible. So onto the other ear. I've been wearing 11 millimeters in this one. So today I'm going to try and put a 12 millimeter tunnel in there. So let's just do it. I put some coconut oil on my ear and some coconut oil on the tunnel. And let's just do it. Oh. La, 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 la. It's already this went so fast and so easy, and I still have so much room left. I'm going to zoom you guys in and then you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you see that? Like if I pull it down, you can see that there's an open space between the tunnel and my lobe. So that means that I could actually already fit a bigger size in there. But I don't think that I have a 13 millimeter tunnel. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I could put some tape on it as well, but I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I think I'm just gonna buy some new sizes. Because when I stretched my ear before, like a few years ago, I actually used a lot of acrylic plugs and tunnels in between my stretching periods, which I found out afterwards is a really bad thing to do, because acrylic can cause like an allergic reaction. Well, maybe not like allergic reaction, but it can cause a reaction on your ears, and that is what happened to me always. I used to always have like pretty red ears and itchy ears and smelly ears. But I never realized that it was because of the material that I put in my ears. I only found out about that afterwards, and then I stopped using acrylics and my ears actually got so much better. So I don't have all these sizes right now because I have these sizes in acrylic material. But I'm not going to put acrylic in my ear anymore because it is really bad. So I think I'm just gonna buy some new sizes and not use the taping method for a while, because honestly, if it's gonna go like this the entire time, my ears are gonna stretch up so incredibly fast that I don't even need to use tape or anything. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to put some really cute earrings in. I got these at Bresser a few years ago, so they probably don't sell it anymore. I'm just going to put them through my tunnels. So something like this. So yeah guys, this is my first video of stretching my ears back up again. I'm not sure if this was interesting, but you guys wanted to see it, so I really hope it was interesting. But please keep in mind that my process of stretching my ears back up again is probably going to be a lot different than from someone who's just starting to stretch their ears for the first time. Because I remember when I was stretching my ears, it honestly didn't go as easy as it's going right now. Like, it was a lot more difficult to stretch my ears up, and I actually didn't know that this was going to be like so easy. Because it honestly is really easy right now. But maybe it's going to be more difficult when I get at a bigger size. We don't know, but you know, we're gonna find out, because I'm gonna make this into a series or something. Like, I'm gonna keep updating you guys on my ears if you're interested in seeing it. Because if nobody actually likes this video, then I'm probably gonna stop making them. But if you actually are interested in these videos, then I will keep making them. Again, I really hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and I really want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye!